Hello students, and welcome to today's presentation on compare and contrast. Our learning target for today is looking at how two texts on the same topic are alike and different and can give you a better understanding of the topic that you're reading. Now, when you read two texts on the same topic, always remember to compare and contrast the most important points and key details. Now, when we compare, we look at how the texts are alike, and when we contrast, we're looking at how they are different. Compare and contrast. Understanding signal words and the compare-contrast map. What is compare and contrast? Compare and contrast is a text structure or thought process that shows how two things are alike or different. How can I recognize compare and contrast relationships? When authors use compare and contrast, they may include hints or signals to the reader. We'll call these signal words. What are the signal words for compare and contrast? The signal words are, here is a list of comparison signal words. A few examples are both, alike, similar, neither, and in common. Even the word like. So use one of these words in a sentence. Some of our contrast signal words are listed here. However, on the other hand, less than, more than, unlike. That's a couple of our contrast signal words. Use one of these contrast signal words in a sentence. How can I analyze, compare, and contrast relationships? When analyzing compare and contrast relationships, you can use a Venn diagram or a chart outline. Now let's create a practice Venn diagram for these two pieces of art. Here you have two watches. What is something that we can compare when it comes to these two watches? How are they different? How are they alike? Well, we do know that they are both watches. One is black, one is pink. What else do you notice? So, we go on to the next image. What about these? Well, we do know that we are looking at the woods right now. One is at night, the other one is in daylight. Well, what else do you notice about these that you can compare and contrast?